Hi people, I'm Annelia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying on another wig. I am really trying my hardest to get into this wig game. Today is another Outre wig and it's in Idina, the color Chocolate Frost. So let's get into this video. I wanted to try a color other than black because for y'all who don't know, when I was wearing my natural hair, and this was a natural hair channel, and even before I made my YouTube channel, I just love playing around with different colors. I've had pink hair, blue hair, purple hair, gold hair, brown hair. If you name the color, I probably had it. And now that I'm doing the wig thing, I usually stick to black, but I'm like, I want to get back into my creative bag. So I got Chocolate Frost. It's a little lighter than the last Outre wig I tried on, which was the Isabella, or that I installed. What I like about this is, unlike the Isabella, which claims it comes with baby hair, mine didn't come with baby hair, but this wig did come with baby hair. I love the curl. I loved how this looked on the girlies on YouTube, so I was praying that it looked decent on me. So as y'all can see, this has one comb in the back and one comb on each side, and there's our little part in the middle. And I just wanted you guys to see the lace again a little more closely. And now moving on to the preparation. This is the Ebin Tinted Lace Mousse. For some reason, when I picked this up, I thought it was a spray. It says mousse, but in my mind, I'm thinking spray. So I'm thinking, oh, I can just spray the lace with this. It's a mousse, so y'all are gonna see how caught off guard I was. So I spread this bleach and dye towel and I shake up this tint mousse just like the directions tell me to do it. And then I spray. First of all, I sprayed the cap. Well, tell me why I'm spraying the cap. Then I caught sense and I started spraying the lace, and immediately my mind is like, wait a minute, why does this look like this? But I continue to spray. I'm like, what is happening? Why does it look like this? And that's why I rest the bottle down. I'm like, I need to find out what's going on here. Eventually, I'm like, I don't know if you're supposed to use a brush to brush it in, but that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I took a spare makeup brush that I've never used before, and I started smoothing in this mousse. And at first, I was like, I don't know if it's working. I'm not sure I'm doing it right, but I'm going to keep doing it. Because what else I'm going to do? Just let it sit there? I can't do that. So I continued to brush. I had patience and I had faith because I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And voila! Ashy on the left and tan on the right. So y'all, I'm about to put this wig on my head, and every time I go to glue a wig on my head, which it hasn't been often that I've done it, but every time that I have done it, I've been nervous because my edges, they don't like to stay under the stocking cap. They come out real far on my forehead. They're almost touching my eyebrows. Like I said, I can't hide it under the stocking cap, and so I always fear glue pulling out my edges. And one thing I'm not about to do is be edgeless. Luckily for me, God said, I got you, sis. Don't worry, I got you. So my edges haven't been pulled out. I'm hoping they don't get pulled out, but the minute I feel like these wigs are pulling out my edges, that's when I'm going to stop, because it's never that serious to me. Y'all, I know the wig isn't on my head properly. I couldn't get over the fact that there's a hump in the wig. And I don't cornrow my hair down because I can't cornrow, so they're in mini twists under the stocking cap. But I know that's not the problem because I wore other wigs with these same twists and it did not have this problem. It's this wig. Like, there's that one hump on the side. Do y'all see? I know y'all see the hump. I know y'all see it. I see the humpty hump. I see the humpty hump. Alright, y'all, so we about to cut this lace. R.I.P. to my sideburns because they don't hide under the stocking cap either. Side note, I really like that lace tint. I really do. Gotta move the baby hairs out of the way so I don't cut the baby hairs by accident. And I gotta clip the hair out the way. Make sure I don't cut that by accident. I want you all to know that I'm not cutting this lace using any particular technique. I just cutting. okay? And I also want y'all to know, if it isn't clear enough already, this is not a tutorial. This is me playing around trying to figure this wig thing out. I watched the videos, but you know, there are some people who could watch videos and be good at it. There are some people who watch videos and take a while to become good at it, and there are people who just do what they do. As for me, I watch the videos and I think it's going to take me a minute to get good at wigs. So I mean, to be honest with you, these aren't super expensive wigs, so I don't mind experimenting on these wigs, to be honest. And there goes my edges just poking out. Like, who invited you? You know, who told you to show your pretty little face? I don't know, but it wasn't me. I want to take a moment to just congratulate myself, because this is so much better than the last wig. I cut this lace so much better. The first wig that had lace on it that I cut, let me tell you something, I messed that wig right up. So this for me is like an accomplishment. Even if you are somebody who is amazing at installing wigs and you're looking at this video like, girl, what the hell did you just do to that wig? You know what? Mind your business. Mind your business. For me, this is I deserve an ice cream. I'm going out for some ice cream. I deserve a reward. I deserve a treat for the way that I cut this wig, this lace. I mean, like, come on now. Come on. So I took the clips out and the hump is still humping. The hump is still humping. Y'all see it. But don't worry, that's why I got a hot comb. Hopefully it helps, because I never had a wig with a hump before. I never had a wig with a hump before, but I saw a girlie on YouTube said that, you know, trying to flatten the top of the hot comb and that'll help. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to try it out. But first, let's cut off some more lace. We're doing it around the ear so that our wig could fit comfortably. We don't want our ear, around the ear area, to feel uncomfortable. If y'all want me to be really real, I don't think the hot comb worked. It didn't work, y'all. Okay, the hump was still there. The hump was still humping. I do the Humpty Hump. Hey, I do the Humpty Hump. And guess who came to make a cameo? So we're going to take our hair wax stick and we're going to use this to smooth the hair back while we apply our glue. So last time, spraying the adhesive and using the glue and all that stuff, it got a bit messy. So I'm using a makeup brush. This is unused, just a spare one I had laying around. I have quite a few. So if you see me using one, it's not a used one. Also, I'm attempting to try protect as much of my edges as possible. I know y'all see me dragging it, like trying to tuck my edges in. The thing is, if I bring the stocking cap down too much, then you know, the wig is going to be all the way down there on my forehead and it's going to look stupid, you know? So it's like, I really don't know how to win in this situation. But yes, I'm using some got-to-be glue. And like I said, I'm going to put it on that brush and I'm going to brush it onto the cap and my forehead or whatever. And I'm going to blow dry that just until it's sticky. Then I'm going to take this Even Wonder Lace adhesive spray. This is Supreme Hold. The black can is the strongest hold. That's what I'm going to be using also to lay down this wig. And I'm also going to spray this on that makeup brush. I'm not spraying this directly onto my skin or onto the stocking cap. That's how I made a mess last time. And then I'm also going to blow dry that until it's sticky. I don't know what happened to the clip of me actually laying the wig down, but this is it basically already glued down. I had to put a little extra adhesive spray around the ear area because that part wasn't sticking. I didn't put enough glue the first time and enough adhesive spray the first time, so that's what I'm doing, just blow drying it. And you know, and I'm just gonna put this band on. Now, I did my hair earlier in the day this time. You know, the last time I did a video of me putting a wig on, it was my birthday. Now it's my boyfriend's birthday. October 27th is when this video was filmed. And I made sure to do this earlier on in the day so I won't be rushing like I did when it was my birthday. Okay, so I took the band off and this is what the hair is looking like. It just kind of stuck down to my forehead. And then I'm going to take some concealer. This is darker than my skin tone. And I'm going to take a makeup brush. Like I said, it's unused. And I'm going to try to match the lace to my skin. Now, y'all, I'm about to lay my edges with some got-to-be glue. Don't be out here judging. I don't do edges. So let's just see what I do. I suck at edges. Okay, hold on.
After you do that, you said it'll be women. So I prefer if you don't go do it.
So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, y'all. And he had to make one last cameo. Bye, y'all.